Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to attach PowerPoint slide in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to attach PowerPoint slide in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Object option. And we can see here many options. Now I select the PowerPoint. Here the Microsoft PowerPoint slide. Then we click it and check mark on the display as icon. Then click OK. And we can see we attach PowerPoint slide to this Word document. And we can see here open the slide. Now we write or edit anything on this slide. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.